Hey fellow traders, in this video we're gonna take a look at the automatic trendline indicator for MT4. You can download the indicator by the link in the description below. To run the indicator, simply drag the automatic trendlines indicator from the indicator list to your MT4 chart. And please, don't forget to click on the load DLL imports in the settings window. There are many methods to identify and draw trend lines. However, this advanced trendline indicator uses Widner's oscillator to construct the trend lines by an automated method. The indicator draws a trend line using the recent data and automatically deletes those trend lines which are redundant. The trend lines are projected in the future to mark the future support and resistance. As a result, it helps you to anticipate the market movements and reversal points. Trading a trendline breakouts is a very effective trading method used by many forex traders. The breakout reflects the strength of the current trend and its ability to break the resistance or support. If the downtrend line is broken, you can place a sell order with stops above the previous high. On the other hand, if the uptrend line is broken, then a buy order with stops below the previous low will provide optimum results. Trendline breakout failures, also known as bounce back trading, are the opposite of trendline breakout strategies. The failure of price to break the trend line shows the weakness of the trend. As a result, the inability of the price to break through the support or resistance provides the best entry point. Upon the inability of the price to break the downtrend line, you can place a buy order with the stops below the trend line. Oppositely, if the price fails to break above the uptrend line, then a sell order with stops above the previous high is optimal. In the indicator settings, we can change the calculation period. Use higher values for scanning larger trends. Obviously, the automatic trendlines indicator for MT4 is the best tool for beginners to understand and study drawing trend lines. It is an essential tool for trading using the trend lines and support and resistance. However, the automatic trendlines MetaTrader indicator will provide the best result if combined with price action. And you can download this indicator by the link in the description below. Bye bye!